Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I will be creating this nude minimalist makeup look. It is gonna require handful of products and you're gonna get this beautiful, flawless and lightweight makeup on. So the first product I'm gonna be using here is this Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. This is currently my favorite concealer, guys. I love the coverage. I love how it helps in concealing and highlighting my face. So just this concealer and I'm good to go. I do not need a foundation. It helps in beautifully concealing the dark circles and also the dark spots I have on my face. So it blends out beautifully. I'm gonna be blending it out using a brush. You can use a sponge if you have, and our makeup base is gonna be ready once we get done with this. Take time with the blending, guys. It is an art to achieve flawless makeup base, and working with your concealer in the right way will help you in giving a skin like effect. I try to use brush instead of going for a sponge because I believe it gives beautiful coverage. After that, I'm gonna set it up with Kiro Botanico Timeless Matte Compact. The best part about this is it gives a light to medium coverage and it just sets my concealer beautifully. Also, the shade which I'm going to be using today is Nutmeg Beige 04. It has maracuja oil and goji seed oil. It's very lightweight and give you beautiful matte coverage. After that, guys, I'm going to be using this Glow Duo by Kiro Beauty again, and this is going to be in the shade Cool Cinnamon and Grapefruit. It'll be perfect for my complexion, blends beautifully and just give a beautiful flush of colors to the cheeks. After that, I'm going to be taking this K Beauty highlighter in the shade Honey Glaze and I'm going to highlight my features. Now moving on to lips, guys, I have this lip liner which is a very dark shade. It is basically for contouring the lips. So if you are looking to have plumpy bigger lips, this is going to be the right liner for you. After that, I'm going to be taking this Kiro Lipstick in the shade Ginger Tea, and currently this is my favorite shade, guys. It just suits my complexion beautiful and makes my lip look beautiful, guys, and the shade is so beautiful. After that, I'm just going to line my eyes and the rim using this kajal from Mama Earth, and we are almost done here, guys. Just one step and we are good to go. Curl the lashes, and in the end I'm going to be applying this mascara which is going to be a newly launched mascara by L'Oreal Paris, and it just helps in opening up your eyes. Mascara is a very important part of your everyday makeup. It should be, because can you look at that coverage, guys? It helps in beautifully uplifting the lashes, makes you look pretty, and it is just going to take 5 minutes, guys, and here we are done with the makeup look. There are a handful of products and you can achieve this beautiful base. I hope you all like the video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, guys. I love you all so much.